Hello, my name is Abri, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in with Google and import your Google Classroom classes. So to start off, let's go to Register, and you're going to click Sign In with Google. After that, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account your Google Classroom is on, and you'll sign in with that one, and you'll land right here on our teacher dashboard. Next, we're going to import our classes, so we're going to go over to Classes here on the left, and we're going to click on Import with Google. You can choose whichever classes from your Google Classroom you'd like to import, and that's all. I also want to point out this note right here. Every time your students log in, they need to log in at google.storyboardthat.com or log in with the Google single sign-on. Otherwise, duplicate accounts might be made and they won't be set up in the proper class. If there's ever a point where you add students, add classes or teachers, you can click Import with Google again, and it will sync up with whatever is in your Google Classroom, and duplicates won't be created that way. And that's all. For more on how to create assignments with Google Classroom and link them to Storyboard That, you can check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.